My name is Christine Evans.
Hi, I'm Dominick Huang.
Hi, I'm Patrick McGrew.
Hi, I'm Cathy Patterson.
Hi, Jason Bruss.
Serving about 18 million customers.
We have about 6 million customers.
We serve almost 8 million customers.
We have about 350,000 customers.
We actually have a lot of challenges in the California utility market. Greener energy, provide our customers with more rate options, with customers being more environmentally conscious.
Utility industry has gone through a big consolidation. A lot of merger and acquisitions are happening in this space, especially in the US, to be able to provide a solution to quickly integrate with the acquisition target. And the time to market is a great value to us. Customers' expectation has increased with the digital age, and they can communicate with us through multiple channels. So that creates a big opportunities for us to revamp and innovate in our customer service.
Very similar to other utilities. Their experiences are grounded in their interactions with Amazon, with Apple. So our challenge is to provide our customer base with the best possible solutions. They be ahead of our customer expectations.
So we have a lot of opportunities in front of us right now. Focus on customer experience and customer engagement.
It's trying to get caught up, trying to get back to where we need.
And we want to be very efficient and keep the high reliability and the high performance. We need to be really fast and to deliver new functionalities and capabilities to the customer. The core product functionality, the marketing campaign management, and the commerce part, of course, the omni-channel customer service. We want to have a seamlessly integrated solution with cloud or even with on-prem solution.
I think it's very important that an IT solution understands our evolving needs and provides the flexibility and the tool set that our employees deserve in order to be able to service our customers to the best of their ability. I think a solution that is able to grow as the business grows is also essential.
We've actually been working with SAP on co-innovation for the last couple of years, but I think it's just the tip of the iceberg. Being part of this co-innovation group will help us define and prioritize.
Our company has been a co-innovator with SAP for a long time, so we're looking to cloud for utility to work with SAP. SAP has demonstrated a commitment to make investment in this C4 utility. This is the opportunities for us to provide our input and work with other big utility clients and work with SAP to shape the future solutions. So it's a win-win situation of interactions in the workshop and a lot of input from the companies. We're not a shy group, so a lot of heated debate and a very constructive debate. And SAP brought a lot of experts to the table. So I think it has been very, very constructive and productive. And I look forward to continue to contribute to this innovation.
Not only understanding what is coming, but also shaping what's coming.
I like the openness of all the SAP folks that are in the workshop, their openness and willingness to share ideas.
It's very helpful to exchange the ideas and share the experience and provide our input.
The more diversity we can get into the conversation, the higher the quality of the conversation.